Running a print farm sounds simple until you actually try managing a bunch of printers. Uploading files, restarting jobs, keeping track of parts, it quickly turns into a full-time job just babysitting the machines. And the worst part is, most printers spend a lot of their time just sitting idle. When we started our own print farm, we ran straight into this problem. Printing wasn't the hard part, managing the printers was. Restarting jobs, uploading files, making sure nothing was sitting idle, it took way more time than it should have, so we built a system to automate it. FlowQ is a print farm automation platform that manages your printers and automatically starts the next job when one finishes. Instead of manually controlling every printer, you upload your files once, add them to a queue, and FlowQ handles the rest. Your printers just keep running. Normally, a workflow would look something like this. You upload a file, start the print, wait for it to finish, clear the bed, start the next job. And if you have multiple printers, you're doing that over and over and over again across different interfaces. One printer is manageable, 5 printers gets annoying, 10 or 20 printers becomes chaos. FlowQ simplifies all of that. You connect your printers to a FlowQ hub which links them to the platform. You then upload your sliced files and add them to a queue. When a printer finishes a job, FlowQ automatically sends the next print. If you're running a semi-automated setup, you just clear the bed and mark the printer ready. And if your printers can clear themselves, FlowQ can run them completely hands-off. For example, in our farm, the morning routine is simple. We walk in, remove the finished parts, and mark the printers ready. FlowQ immediately assigns the next jobs from the queue and starts the prints again. Instead of manually launching prints all day, the system keeps everything moving automatically. At its core, FlowQ is a queue system for your printers. You can upload files once and run them repeatedly. It can integrate with systems like Shopify so orders automatically get added to the queue, and you can even scan QR codes for specific parts and send them straight to print. Everything is designed around keeping your printers running as efficiently as possible. One of the biggest goals when we built FlowQ was simplicity. You don't need to modify firmware, run terminal commands, or install complicated software. You connect to FlowQ Hub, enter your printer credentials, and start sending jobs. It works with most major printer ecosystems, including Bamboo, Clipper, Prusa, Creality, and others. To get started, you just need a FlowQ Hub to connect your printers. Then you create an account, connect the printers, and upload your prints. There's even a free software tier if you just want to try it out. The goal of FlowQ is simple. Instead of spending your time managing printers, you upload your files, build your queue, and let the system handle the rest. Your printers keep running, and you get your time back.